Dear students, today we are discussing about the proof of Pythagoras theorem. The statement of the theorem is, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. According to statement of the theorem, consider a right angled triangle ABC where angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. The side opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. In the figure, AC is called hypotenuse because AC is opposite to the angle B. Therefore, the data becomes, in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and AC is called hypotenuse. We have to prove the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Therefore, square on the hypotenuse is AC square. Then square of other two sides are AB square and BC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is we have to prove. Draw a perpendicular from the vertex B to the hypotenuse AC. Therefore, construction is BD perpendicular AC. To prove the theorem, consider two right angle triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADB. In a triangle ABC and a triangle ADB, angle A is equal to angle A from data, and also angle ABC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree by the construction. By AA criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Therefore, we write the ratio of similar sides AB by AD is equal to AC by AB is equal to BC by DB. Consider the two ratios. AB by AD is equal to AC by AB. By cross multiplication, we get AB into AB is equal to AC into AD. AB into AB becomes AB square is equal to AC into AD, called as equation 1. Consider another two triangles, namely triangle ABC and triangle BDC. In a triangle ABC and a triangle BDC, angle C is equal to angle C by data. Also, angle ABC is equal to angle BDC is equal to 90 degree by construction. In a two triangles, two angles are equal, then two triangles are similar by AA criteria. Therefore, we write triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC. Then we write the ratio of corresponding sides as AB divided by BD is equal to AC by BC is equal to BC by DC. Consider two ratios. AC by BC is equal to BC by DC. By cross multiplication, we get AC into DC is equal to BC into BC. On simplifying, we get AC into DC is equal to BC square. Also, BC square is equal to AC into DC, called as equation 2. By adding equation 1 and 2, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. Take AC common outside, AC into AD plus DC. Instead of AD plus DC, we write AC. Look at the figure. Then AC into AC. Finally, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Hence the proof.